Okay, excuse the mess. Last indoor flying season one this year, so now I've had this one for a while. It does fly, only the radio control I used on it was infrared, so I'm going to change that for 2.4 GHz wireless stuff. I've also got a rubber powered one here I've not flown in a while, so I've got that to get ready, and I'm going to start doing some more work on my glider. I don't know if you've seen this one in the previews, but I've got this to get ready as well. Now that the weather's getting warm, I can actually work up here in the loft, so that will slot on there like that. Okay, along the other wing. Got some ways to finish off with that yet. So that's something that's coming up. Okay, as I say, indoor flying last season, so I'm going to try and get these ready, and I might see what I can do with this. I was given this, it doesn't work, doesn't hover I should say, it flashes lights and fans, but I might be able to make something for that. Right, that's it, let's carry on. So I'm going to get to work on this, and what I'm going to do, see, I've got these little tiny control line things here. Okay, so I'm hoping to take the radio control out of that and use that for in here, and this one. Okay, hopefully you can see that it's cling film on that. Right, let's see how we go with that video. So there we have it. Hopefully you can see that little indoor model I've made. Will it fly? I don't know. Motor works and the rudder works. So only one way to find out. Chuck it indoors and see whether it works. Right, on for the next one.